Christmas is celebrated in every corner of the world, but what makes it magical are the simple acts of love that change lives. From Nigeria to the USA, from Canada to the UK, people are showing that the true meaning of Christmas is not in gifts or decorations, but in the love we share. From Nigeria to the USA, from Canada to the UK, people are showing that the true meaning of Christmas is not in gifts or decorations, but in the love we share. Stay tuned to the end, as we share a powerful truth that will inspire your own Christmas celebration. Welcome to Inspirational Stories and Encouragement Channel, Christmas Edition. This Christmas season, we are excited to bring you inspiring, heartwarming, and uplifting stories that capture the true spirit and the essence of Christmas. Join us as we share powerful Christmas stories from around the world. The stories will help you experience the magic of Christmas in a deeper and more meaningful way beyond the funfare that Christmas is known for. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the stories. And now, today's Christmas stories. Story 1, A Gift of Food. In Lagos, Chinedu Okafor had just enough money to buy food for his family. But when he saw his neighbor, a widow with 3 children, struggling to prepare even a small meal, he decided to share half of what he had. That night, 2 families ate together, and the children laughed as if nothing was missing. It was a reminder that in giving, no one loses. Instead, love multiplies. Story 2, A Stranger's Kindness. In Chicago, Emily Johnson noticed a homeless man shivering on a snowy Christmas Eve. Instead of just walking by, she bought him a warm coat, gloves, and a hot meal. The man's eyes filled with tears as he whispered, "This is the first real Christmas I've felt in years." Sometimes the smallest act of kindness can restore hope in a heart that feels forgotten. Just a quick break. Please, if this story inspires you, kindly support our channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell for more uplifting stories. Subscription is completely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Story 3, A Family's Surprise. In Toronto, the Singh family decided to cancel their big Christmas party. Instead, they used the money to deliver groceries and warm clothes to refugee families in their neighborhood. On Christmas morning, instead of opening expensive gifts, they opened their hearts and discovered a deeper joy than any celebration could bring. They learned that the best way to celebrate Christmas is not to have more, but to share more. Story 4, The Power of Forgiveness. In London, James Miller had not spoken to his brother for 5 years after a bitter argument. But this Christmas, he decided to let go of pride and send a message, "Merry Christmas, I miss you." To his surprise, his brother replied within minutes, and by evening, they were laughing together over dinner. Christmas healed a wound that years of silence could not, and reminded him that love is stronger than pride. These stories from across the world remind us that Christmas is not defined by the city we live in, the money we have, or the gifts we buy. It is defined by love, the love we give to neighbors, to strangers, to family, and even to those we once pushed away. So this Christmas, wherever you are, choose to be the reason someone smiles, the reason someone feels seen, the reason someone believes again. Your love might look small, but to someone else, it could be the greatest miracle of their year. Stay tuned, as we remind you of one truth. This Christmas, the greatest gift you can give the world is you. I hope you are inspired by today's Christmas stories, and learn some valuable lessons from them. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonates with you, please, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bell for more inspiring stories. And don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Obbetere, wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a very happy prosperous New Year in advance. Shalom.